Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of Titanic Week. Now this is Titanic's first day at sea, no land stops happening. In the morning, Titanic's distance was calculated, how far she had gone from her last stop. She had gone 482 miles, so roughly 21 miles an hour, which is quite impressive when you think 21 miles an hour was to be her speed. They thought that would be her speed limit, was 21 miles an hour, so... And even to think, she didn't even have all her boilers lit. At this time, she only had around 21 of her boilers lit. So, passengers and crew became a bit curious on how fast she could actually go with all 29 boilers lit, thinking they could get a day early before her voyage was meant to be up. Now, for the voyage to be up, it doesn't actually start from port and end at the other port. It actually starts at the lightship at the start, and then a lightship at the end. So, to calculate how quick you were, if you could get to the lightship a day early before you were supposed to, you had gotten there quite quick. It's not a port-to-port thing, it's a lighthouse ship to lighthouse ship. Titanic is making impressive speeds, with not all of her boilers lit, and there isn't many noteworthy events. Actually, I'm pretty sure today is the day that they've taken out the fire. The coal fire's gone, it's been put out, and she is now at a list to starboard by about 5 degrees. This is also when a passenger broke their arm while walking down the grand staircase after it had just been cleaned. She had slipped and fallen due to the list and the wet surface of the tiled staircase, and she hurt her arm. Now she got sent to the medical center of the ship. The doctor fixed her up and had her arm fixed up before dinner. So she got bantered on by all her first class passenger friends. So that's really all that happened today on her voyage. She was doing very well. So yeah, that's day 3. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Tomorrow is her last day afloat. So yeah, I will see you all then.